Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's still catch you right here. If you are new, what is always down below, please. And if you're not new, you are home. Welcome back home. So your homegirl just washed her hair for the first time in like 10 weeks, in 2.5 months. My first wash day in 2.5 months, guys. And there's also going to be a clip of me washing my hair like next. But the products I used were this Miniso Multirepairing Camellia Oil Nourishing Shampoo, Smooth Frizz, Intensive Nourishment, Hair Feels Intensely Nourished from Root to Tip. I got this from Miniso in ShopRite, Maryland. It retailed for about 1,500, 1,600, that range. Because almost all their hair products are like that range. I didn't have enough money to get the conditioner then, and since then I never actually found the conditioner. I went to ShopRite in Surulere, they didn't have it. They didn't even have this at all. The one in Surulere is so small. But anyhow, I'm going to be reviewing this and this Beauty Formulas honey treatment wax. I already reviewed their henna wax on my Instagram at Natural Catchy. Make sure that you're following me. And my sister has had this for a while, but I just took hers because she got a new product, so I took this so I can do a review on this. And let's just enjoy this with me washing my hair before I come back and give you guys the full review. Hit the road. Yeah. Okay guys, I'm just showing you guys my hair right now. I actually had my hair pre-pulled for over a whole day, over 24 hours with my shea butter and aloe vera mix. The video is already up for that one. I'm going to use my black soap shampoo right now just to apply it on my scalp, just to get rid of every shea butter on my hair strands and on my scalp. Just working it into my hair, not really scrubbing my scalp to be honest. I'm just really working it into my hair, trying to get it everywhere because this butter was in for quite a while, even though it was not that heavy of a butter. Keep my hair in a shower cap or in a plastic cap I left it in for like 5 or 10 minutes because that's what it said in the package or on the jar. I went on to wash my face with the black soap shampoo in case I reacted to any shampoo. Okay, I'm back guys, and this is my hair after washing. My hair feels so soft. It feels so lush. I know, like, I had a lot of shedding here because I had my hair in for 9 weeks obviously, but then this shampoo, let me read the how to use. Apply appropriate amounts of the product to wet hair. Gently massage the scalp and hair to produce a rich foam, then rinse thoroughly. This product contains water, sodium laureth, sulfate, another sulfate, quite a number of sulfates, fragrance, and some Camellia japonica seed oil. Let me start off by saying that this thing actually smells quite nice. It smells really nice. I love the smell. A little doesn't go a long way. I use like 16 and 20 pumps to wash my hair. So a little doesn't go a long way. You will not see any rich foam until you use like 10 to 15 pumps. For the first 10 pumps, you won't see any, you will not see like the rich foam they put here. My hair actually feels bomb. My hair felt bomb after I used this. I can't lie. When I applied to my hair was feeling a little bit, a little bit dry. When I washed it off, guys, my hair felt really nice. Personally, yeah, I love this product. I can't use this product because I was losing my braids that were in for like 9 weeks, and I wanted something that would just repair my hair, like instant repair. And this is the only product I had. I had my black soap shampoo, Heads and Shoulders anti-down. I didn't want anti-down. I just wanted something that would repair my hair, full treatment, and this felt like it, to be honest. And I'm actually quite shocked that Miniso, a Japanese brand, can get this. I'm sorry, but can get something that work for my hair. Like, guys, Miniso is a Japanese brand. It's a Japanese beauty brand, I think. Yes, it is. Because they sell almost everything. They sell tech also, so I'm very cool. It's a Japanese brand generally, and for them to get this shampoo right. I think there's another one, but I don't think it's multi-repairing. But for them to get this right, I actually recommend this product to somebody, to my friend actually, because this product is actually bomb. I'm sorry, but it is like, it's bomb. I love the packaging. It looks very posh because it's like gold. Gold is like a posh color. Gold with anything is like a posh combo. I like this pump. The product is quite thick. Like, it does not. It's quite thick. And all in all, it is a decent shampoo. Have I used better shampoos? Yes, I have. I can't lie. I've used better shampoos. But for the price range, this is I didn't put it in volume, but it's a 400 gram, 14 fluid ounces container. It's almost the same. I think Dark and Lovely is 500 for the actual Dark and Lovely neutralizing shampoo, and We Naturals is 500 also. Guys, my hair feels, see, it's about 500 also. So like almost in the same volume, yeah. I love the packaging. I can't lie. I love the packaging. Like, see the way it's so thick. It is so thick. And yeah, will I recommend this? Yes, obviously, because I really like it. Now on to the deep conditioner. The honey treatment wax by Beauty Formulas is better than a henna treatment wax. I would say this anyway. It's better than like this one makes your hair feel better than the henna. The henna is dry, like totally drying. Especially if it's like Hamatan season, nobody is in the henna. Just don't decondition your hair with it. Don't just bother deconditioning your hair with it. I prefer this by far to the henna. And this smells better than the henna. This one is like almost the same ingredients basically. And it's just the same. Apply to your hair, leave for 5 to 10 minutes and rinse. Leave on for longer if you have damaged hair. This retails for 1,700 naira, 1,800 naira. I can't really remember because I bought it a while back. And it said it's sufficient for 10 applications. Sufficient for 15 applications. A little goes along because this thing foams. I don't know whether the conditioners are meant to foam, because the deep conditioners I've used, they don't foam at all, but this one foams. It has sodium sulfate somewhere. Let me see. It doesn't even have any sulfates anywhere, but it has a lot of it has methylparaben, ethylparaben, butylparaben, propylparaben, 4 parabens, the 4 CH, C2H. You know the chemistry. So it has quite a number of parabens, but it doesn't have any sulfates at all. But I wonder why it foams, to be honest. It has fragrance, obviously, because it smells nice. And it said works to quickly restore and renew out of conditioned hair. I needed this for my hair because my hair was out of condition. 9 weeks of braids is not beans. So yeah, these two products together, they actually go well together. I really like this shampoo. I can't lie. This is like going to be a staple in my regimen. This and my argan oil shampoo that's up there. And yeah, these two products are actually quite nice. I'm going to go on and like get my hair plaited in cornrows. My hair feels actually quite soft. Like, yeah, it feels very soft. I'm going to get my hair plaited in cornrows, and yeah, I'm going to try to like leave that one in for like 2 or 3 weeks because it's exam period. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please tell me down below in the comment section. Let me know the kind of content we're putting out for you guys. And subscribe to my channel, like, share, subscribe, follow my personal social media platform at Natural Catchy. I talk very fast, yeah, but then just how it's just what it is. and share with your friends. Share with your friends and share with your friends. Subscribe to my channel now. See you guys in my next. I think next is this way. I think it's this way for you guys, but it's this way for me. In my next video. Bye bye.